ॐ देवी शैलपुत्रे नमः. Goddess Shailaputri, the daughter of the Himalayas, is the first form of Ma Durga. She rides the bull Nandi, carrying a Trishula in one hand and a lotus in the other hand. She symbolizes purity, strength, and devotion. O Ma removes our past sins and bless us with courage and stability. Let's begin the day one Navaratri with the prayer to Ma Shailaputri, seeking her divine energy and protection. Let's offer our devotion at the lotus feet of Mother Shailaputri. Jai Ma Shailaputri.